Hey everyone, this is Rachel and welcome to another scrapbooking process video. If you hang out until after the video is through, there are always detailed shots of my current layout. Let's get going! Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my layout here. Today I am working with something brand new to me. It is the BU line from Pinkfresh Studio. I also have two 4x6 horizontal photos. These are of Splash Mountain in Walt Disney World. So this is obviously a Disney layout that I'm doing today. I just wanted to go ahead and play. I really shouldn't be scrapbooking. I should be packing for some things I have coming up. And but I'm going to work with what I've got available to me and have some fun. All right, folks, let's get going. Okay, so this is going to be a very quick layout. I decided actually right away to go ahead and use this piece of paper as my background. I just really thought it was quite pretty. And then I decided, oh, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to cut off a chunk of this really pretty pattern stripe paper and I'm going to use that. And as you can see, it is called Sincere. I finally remember to lift it up to the paper, to the screen, and then I'm going to lift up this one as well. This is going to be my background piece, and that is called Happy. And I just really liked the way it looked together, even though it's a lot of pattern. I just like really saying to me. I decided to go ahead and mat the better of the two photos on the B side of the Sincere paper, and that, sorry if you could hear that, that was a failed attempt by my cat to jump up on the couch. Sorry, the things you get here. All right, let's talk about the actual layout. As I mentioned, I am in the middle of packing for a crop I'm going to in just a couple of days, and I have packed up a bunch of stuff, including almost all of my little inks. So I am using that Allie Edwards square of ink in Black Butte, which is a pigment ink, which isn't normally what I would go for to ink up the edges of my papers. It's a little too wet, but needs must, and I went ahead and did it, and it's fine. It's a little messier than I would normally care for, but it's fine. So I inked up that pattern paper that I've got going on in the corner, as well as the one photo that I matted, and it's a better composed photo than the other one. So when I first saw this line, that chipboard camera struck me as just being awesome. So I decided I'm going to pull that along with that striped arrow, and then I see that label chipboard piece that would be wonderful for journaling, and I decided to pull out a couple more of the arrows. These are the ones that are gold tipped on one side, and those are going to be my 3 embellishment areas. And I'm going to add some puffy stickers as well. I have that So Very Happy circle piece down on the lower right hand side, and then I add another phrase sticker, something about special moments, I don't remember exactly, right below where my title is going to go. I pull out these older Pinkfresh Studio ones. These are from Indigo Hills for the word splash, and I want to finish off the other part of my title in a smaller tile sticker, and I finally decide on these multicolor ones with watercolor features on them. And those are an older sticker from Scraptastic, which used to be a kit club before they went to planners. And so that is my entire title. This is about Splash Mountain in Walt Disney World. It was one of our favorite rides. So I just wanted to make a layout talking about how much we enjoyed it. I am going ahead and peeling off all the backing papers for my chipboard pieces and deciding on whether or not I want to add any other pieces. I'm thinking I want to add enamel dots, but I don't have any in that right color. I'm really looking for that deep indigo-y blue to help balance the title of the word splash in my title. And I finally decide I'm going to add those Nuvo drops. Now the color of that is navy, but they're not really a navy. I also decide I'm going to add a couple more small uh, geometric shapes from the puffy sticker piece, and then also obviously finish my journaling. I also decide I'm going to use my Shimmers Spritz, and this is in, I think it's called Shades of Blue, something of Blue. I did freeze frame it, so hopefully you can read it. And this is a very dark, dark teal, almost navy color. So it does kind of have that indigo-y color that I'm looking for. And I'm adding that along with these Nuvo drops. This is going to be the last thing I do before my layout is complete. Thank you guys so much for joining me here. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome. As I said at the beginning of the video, there are always close-ups of my layouts at the end of the video, so please stay tuned if you want to see all the little bits and pieces going on in my layout. Thanks so much again, and have a great day, everyone. Bye!